Hi guys, I'm so glad to see all of you here, and our today's class will be about how to draw beautiful illustration in watercolor and ink, and I will tell you how to make a beautiful texture paper. So let's go!
Well, the first thing that I will do is I will take my first reference picture, I will press an arrow, and after I will press the button Fit to Screen. So great, and after I will lower the opacity, and I will move to the inking sets. And I like Mercury, so I will leave that, and I will move to the black color and I will start tracing. So let's go. Turn off our reference picture, and as you see, I do like this floral right now. And we move to the next one. Once again, Fit to Screen, and probably I want to increase the size right here. I will choose this leaf. I will lower the opacity and I will create a new layer which is above our reference picture. Same, I have my Mercury brush, and once again, let's start tracing. Well, that's it. Now I will turn off our reference picture and probably I will just delete it. We don't need them anymore. I will teach you how to make those texture paper. And first of all, let's turn off our reference picture, and here we have our layer, and we move to the maybe light beige, maybe grayish beige color, and we go to the textures. This is custom set, and we choose a dark line. And yep. Okay, great. No, I think it's fine. So next step, I will switch to the other brush, to my set, to BooStudio Opaque Watercolor. And this brush I will add to the description, so you can download that for free totally. So after I will duplicate this layer a couple of times, and I will merge them. So in total I have 2 layers. Let me duplicate it second time. And after I will move to the linear burn, and color burn. And after I want to duplicate linear burn second time, and I like this texture feeling, and after I will merge it together. Same I'll do with color burn. I will duplicate it maybe 3 times, it's fine. And after I will merge it all together, and I will lower the opacity, and linear burn I will also lower the opacity. So cool. I do like, you see, like that the texture paper is not actually like we have a gradient here. So next, I have my BooStudio Opaque Watercolor brush, and after we have our reference. So about texture paper, I will group them. So I created a new layer here, and I will move to the light green color. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is probably I will take this reference picture and I will just start coloring. And guys, it shouldn't be perfect at all. Wow. Again, actually guys, I want to duplicate our tracings. And I'll do same with my other tracing layer. I want to create a lower that will be underneath our tracing layer, and I will move to more bluish color like that. And yep, let's start. And if you make if you make some mistakes, just take an eraser like a mercury brush and just erase the rest that you think you don't like, or it's better to erase. And you see, between the leaves the space should be wide, so I will erase it as well. Here's the last one, and we are done. So our aim is to create beautiful watercolor postcard, and actually I want to make a patterns. So now I'll tell you how to do that. So I will merge two layers together. And next step, I just want to duplicate it a couple of times. Just make it invisible. Same I'll do with the second leaf. And after that I want to group them perfectly on a canvas. So you can play around, you can choose the angle, the size that you like. And as you see, some leaves, they can overlap each other, and I don't like that. So for the rest, I will just erase those parts that are overlapping each other. So voila, that's our beautiful watercolor and inking postcard that I do like, some picture. You can also add some text if you like. I'll do that with you. And probably I'll keep same color, so I created a new layer, and after I want to add text. And I want to add something like smile. And after I will edit the style, it will be fine. So just smile. Same. What you can do is you can copy that and after paste. So now we can delete our text layer, and now you can draw on the top to the mercury. Increase the size a little. It's too much. And you can add some dots. and after just add.
So that's it, that was the end of our class. I do hope that you like our today's tutorial. If so, please subscribe, thumbs up, and see each other later. Bye bye!